Hi, I'm Tash, and today we're looking at a washi tape set and decorative paper set from IeeBee. I can't wait to show you the journal spread I created using these items. IeeBee provided me with these items for free, and the ones I chose from their website are the Van Gogh washi tape set and the Yesterday Once More paper pack in the artist style. In these screenshots you can see the listings on their website, and I have them in USD since that's where the largest part of my audience is located, but you can also change the currency on their website with many options to choose from if that's easier for you. The first thing I want to note is just how stunning the packaging is. The box that the tapes come in is beautiful, as well as really sturdy, and honestly I'll probably repurpose it in some way. The order also came with a little booklet that you saw before that I did a quick flip through of, and it shows different ways of using their products and inspiration for your own journals and scrapbooking, among other things like phone cases and stuff like that. It's a great little resource in my opinion. In this set, you get 36 washi tapes inspired by Van Gogh in multiple sizes and thicknesses, as well as some with gold gilding, and you guys know how much I love a gold gilding on my washi tapes. And the paper pack includes a variety of papers and stickers inspired by a vintage style and incorporating classic art. Before I say anything else, I just wanted to give a big thanks to IeeBee for reaching out to me and sending me these products for free so that I can show you a small sample of the journaling supplies that you can get at IeeBee.com. And for those who are interested in getting something from their site, IeeBee have generously provided me with a code for my viewers to use. You just need to use the code TASH at checkout for 30% off your cart. I'll have the site and code linked in the description box as well, so head there if you're interested. And just so that you're aware, any purchase made using my code or affiliate link will get me a small commission. In my opinion, there is more than enough here with the paper and the washi tapes to make a whole journal theme. So let's jump into some washi tape swatches and take a look at all the tapes that you get in the Van Gogh set of 36 washi tapes. And now we are up to the usage part of this video and getting started on this spread that I'm doing. I decided on a cover and a tracker spread because I wanted to play around with layering, and they felt like good setups to do that with. My aim here is to show you what you can do with just one set of washi tapes and a paper pack. There's probably enough here to do a whole theme without needing anything else if you like to keep it simple, to which I can not relate. I started off by using one of my favourites of the tapes that came in the set, and then I used my letter stamps to stamp a quote onto one of the papers from the paper pack, and a heading onto another piece of paper. This is intended to be able to lay over top of other elements, making it look nice and full and just really enhancing that layered effect. And after finishing off all my stamping, I did what I feel most comfortable doing. I just started placing things together, moving things around, and seeing what looked best together. I usually start with the items that I like the most or I gravitate towards, and then I'll try a bunch of different things until it feels right. I honestly don't know how to explain this process for me because a lot of it goes by feel and instinct, and what feels right to me might feel totally wrong to someone else. So I try a combination of tons of different stuff to see what works and what doesn't. Once something works for me, it helps me to sort of lean towards things that are similar and makes the process flow a bit better. I also tried to make sure to keep some of the process of me trying all these different things so you can get an idea of just how I go about it. For the cover page, most of the vibe I went with was to complement the tape that I chose initially, and then I wanted the other elements, like all the browns and neutrals, to look good together and not clash tone-wise. I absolutely love these book covers that came in the paper pack, and I knew I wanted to use them in some way. I just wasn't sure exactly which ones I wanted to use, but I tried a few different options because it felt like there wasn't enough contrast, so I was trying to make choices that would add the right amount of darkness or the right pop of colour, if that makes any sense. Also, because the heading is on a very similar paper to what I have layered underneath with the full script paper that I used and all the other bits and pieces, I wanted to make it stand out a little bit. I tried a few different options, like layering it on top of just scrap bullet journal paper and different stickers and papers, and you'll see soon the way I decided to go with it. At this point, I was really missing some contrast to the browns and the teals, and I was craving some yellow or orange to pop out. There were a few gorgeous tapes in the washi set that I could have used, but the patterns either clashed or were the wrong tone. So instead, I decided to grab a piece of the scrap paper that I had left over from tearing bits and pieces up, and I did a quick sketch of a plant and coloured it using Tombow markers and pencils, making the pot a bright orangey with reds, and I used blues and greens for the leaves. I love what it brought to the spread, and because I did it on one of the pieces of paper that came in the pack, it made it tie in really well. Plus it also added a focal point that I think the spread needed. And here you can see that I used another of the papers from the pack and layered some washi tapes using a teal with a little bit of a yellow, and I glued the April heading on top. I didn't love the rigidness of the edges, so I tore the edges off for a bit more of an organic feel. And I think it worked well since I had a full sheet on the bottom layer that had a straight edge, so I wanted to sort of add the contrast on top with more organic and ripped edges. So now that I have all the little bits and pieces that I want to use, I'm just going through and sticking everything down and adding in finishing touches to the main cover spread. Now we're moving on to the tracker spread, and even though I did the cover page separately, I still wanted to make the two feel like they're one spread. Part of this meant layering in a similar way, so I got some journal offcuts and used those for the trackers so that I could put them on top of everything that I layered underneath. I also brought some items from the cover page and extended it onto the tracker page so it all kind of felt cohesive. I also used the same orange from the pot plant that I drew to highlight the trackers, just to tie it all in and add another pop of contrast. After that, it's just more trial and error and finding what I like in different places. I also go back to my letter stamps and I make a little header for my self-care trackers. With that, I used a white gel pen to outline some of the letters to make it stand out against the brown paper, and I really love the effect that it gave. I also decided to add in just a couple more little sketches for a little bit more contrast, and just because I really liked the effect of having these little scribbled doodles on the brown paper. I'm adding in a little bit of contrast here just by adding some of the Van Gogh washi tape that I used at the top of this spread, and I'm just placing little squares of it underneath the headers for the trackers, just so they stand out a little bit from the neutral browns and stuff. And now we're pretty much at the end of this spread using the Van Gogh washi tapes and artist paper pack. I really adore the final result, and I look forward to incorporating these papers and tapes into other themes that I do going forward. Thank you again to IeeBee for providing me with these items, and if you want to get something for yourself from the IeeBee website, don't forget that it's linked in the description box and you can use my code TASH for a 30% discount. I also just wanted to take a second to let you guys know that I now have memberships available on this channel. I am offering early access to videos, there's some custom emojis, and also there's a private Discord for members only that you can join if you want to hang out with me outside of YouTube videos. So make sure you check that out if you're interested. If you enjoyed watching this unboxing and the use of these products, make sure that you subscribe to see what I have coming next. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, leave a star emoji in the comments, you know, for like Starry Night. Thank you so much for choosing to watch this video. I'm extremely grateful for the support and I really hope that you enjoyed watching. And with all of that being said, I hope that you are as safe and as happy as you can be, and I will catch you in my next video.